Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So we have to start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them and here scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we have to go back and enter System and Update, enter developer options, and here scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates. Simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.